Welcome to another small business idea here at Chao. Today it is a budget-friendly chocolate drink, and I'm sure that this will be quite saleable. We are going to make bottled Milo, and this will be in 200 milliliters bottles, and the cost, believe it or not, is just 13 Philippine pesos. So this video tutorial is especially for my viewers and subscribers in the Philippines. The costing and the breakdown of prices are all in Philippine pesos, so stay tuned. If you're not from the Philippines and you are regular to this channel, you can also use this recipe and calculate your cost depending on the prices of the raw materials that we are going to use here. Before we continue, click that subscribe button. Well, the good news about this business idea is that it requires very minimum investment. All you need in terms of tools and equipment are what you see in front of me. You would need a kettle, you would need a pitcher, and you would need all the ingredients that I am going to share with you. We need Milo. This is the star of the show. If you prefer Ovaltine, you can also use Ovaltine. And we need sugar. And to make this creamier, I am going to add non-dairy creamer. So you can use any brand that is available to you. For the cost breakdown, I use the more expensive prevailing prices. So in reality, the total cost would be cheaper than what I'm going to show you today. How much can you sell this? I would suggest that you sell this about 25 to 30. So that gives you a margin of about 10 pesos per bottle. Now, the more you make, the more you sell, then the more money you earn. Now, where can you sell this? I would suggest that you can sell this at schools, somewhere near where children are, young children. If you are a mom at home and you have young children that love chocolate, this is the perfect recipe. You can make a batch, and all you have to do is to keep them refrigerated, bottled and refrigerated. And anytime your child feels like having cold chocolate milk, then you just get it out of the refrigerator. It's very budget friendly. You can save a lot of money by making these drinks at home. Another idea for this would be if you are in the catering business, you can make these drinks, bottle them, and distribute to all the customers or the guests at a party or whatever event you are hosting. I'm going to make a small batch, so it's going to fit my 2 liters pitcher here. You can multiply the proportion as many times as you like, but just make sure you follow the recipe first and then you try it. And you can adjust the ingredients and the proportions as you see fit. I'm starting with the dry ingredients. That way, it is easier for you to estimate how much water you need as well. So it's not going to overflow in your pitcher. Sugar, non-dairy creamer. To make it easier, you can fill it half full and then just stir instead of filling it up at the beginning. So this way your powdered ingredients or your dry ingredients will be dissolved before you add the rest of the water. Make sure that you try it before you bottle, and the taste is just perfect. This is more like dark Milo. So if there's less milk in here, make sure that you get Milo or Ovaltine that's not 3-in-1, so there's no not much sugar in it and not much milk because we are blending it ourselves. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is to let it cool down, and then we are going to place them into our bottles. For demonstration purposes, I am going to pour my drink into the bottles, but if you're doing this at home, make sure you let it cool down before you bottle them. Okay, so I'm just going to leave it open for now. And when you fill your bottles, I would suggest that you fill it to just the bottleneck. It doesn't have to be right on top. So the yield should be about 1.8 liter and 200 ml per bottle. That would be about 9 bottles. Let's find out if my calculation is correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is my 8th bottle. And these caps are automatically sealed. So the moment you twist the cap and you hear that click, that means it's already sealed. So for the last bottle, I'm not going to seal this. I'm going to pour this over ice. So how do you sell this? What you need to do here is once you bottle them, you can put them in an ice box. If you're selling this in a pop-up cafe or a small table or a cart or even from home, you don't need a refrigerator. All you need would be an ice box, fill it up with ice, and then you can put your bottles in here. And when you sell these bottles, you can tell your customers that they are ready to drink. That means if it is cold enough or chilled enough, then they can just open the bottle and drink from the bottle. If your customers like them really, really cold, then you can tell them that these can also be served over ice. Now, what happens when you drink this with ice? It'll be less sweet because it'll be diluted with ice, okay? But it is still good enough, okay? So there you go. Pour this over ice. And I have a deliciously refreshing drink of Milo here. Okay, so let me get my straw and entice you with making this drink with me. And it's perfect. Bottled Milo, the budget way, yet delicious. So if you're looking for some ideas to start your own business at home or making this at home, then look no further. Use these recipes that I've shown you here today and let me know how they go for you. So that's all I would like to share with you today. So if you like this video, make sure you click that subscribe button. Also, like, comment, and share the love. I'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.